Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. I appreciate you being here today. So in today's video, I'm going to showcase some of my favorite things for the month of August. You know, those things that are convenient, that spark joy, as Marie Kondo says. And it is a collaboration with some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. This collaboration is hosted by my friend Jessica from Jessica Myrose. So be sure to check out the playlist of all the other participants in today's collaboration. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so my first item here is this 360 mist sprayer here. I ended up getting this from Sally's Beauty Supply. I don't know if you guys have one in your state. However, I ended up getting it from there. They do have some mist sprayers on Amazon, but this particular mist sprayer here comes in 5 ounce, 10 ounce, and 24 ounce. This is the 24 ounce one. It was priced at $10.99. It also comes in the color black as well as this white. I just chose the white because I just prefer that. One of the things that I really like about this is that it is reusable and it is refillable. You see that I have water in this, and just look at that. Look at that. And it does it it will do continuous spray for you as well. I use this for my hair when if I'm not taking a shower or something like that and I need to redo my hair, but I don't want to get in the shower and it's like drenching wet. I just, I don't mind that sometimes, but I just don't want it happening every single time I have to do my hair. So I will use this and I'll just, mist spray my hair in certain sections, and then it's easier for me to use to be combing out my hair with. That's one of the major reasons why I ended up getting this. Now I do have a smaller size, but I use that one it's a mixture of conditioner and water. This one here that I have is just the plain water. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this month that it is one of my favorites for the month. Okay, so my next thing, I'm not going to be holding it in front of you guys because it is just too large, too heavy for me to be holding. So you will see a video as I am talking about this product, air fryer by Instapot or Vortex. I can't remember which one it's by. It has Instapot written on the particular air fryer. I have had it for several years and I probably should have put it in one of my favorites videos some months ago, but I didn't, and so here we are. It is just one of my favorite items or appliances to be having around the house. So convenient. Let me tell you guys about it. When I ended up getting mine, I would say when they kind of first came out. So I got mine from, I believe it was Target, or I don't remember what store it was, because like I'm saying, I didn't just get it last week, you know what I'm saying? So this particular item at that time, I purchased it on sale. It was like $50. I think this was before they became really, really big as they are now. Now they have many different types of styles and colors. When I first purchased mine, that was not the case. So mine is a large. It is 6 quarts. It is customizable with a smart cooking, making it easy to program with its digital touchscreen. Also, it has a non-stick dishwasher basket. Yes, honey, dishwasher. In addition, if you wanted to, even though I haven't for the most part used this, but you can use an app with this as well. And with that app, it will show you that there are 1,900 recipes to help you with cooking, or you could do like what I do. You could just go to YouTube because that's what I usually do anyway with all types of things. I'm just saying. So right now on Amazon, if you wanted to purchase this particular air fryer, it is $109. That is the sale price though, and that is the sale price right now. You know how Amazon is? They are subject to change their prices. So the regular price though is $119. Okay, so my number 3 thing, you all know that I got to be sharing a TV show, a series, or something So I got another one for you. So this one is called The Ugliest House in America. This show is on HDTV, one of my favorite networks. I watch it on one of the apps that we have in the house, Philo. I don't know if you all are familiar with that. Watching the second season for the most part. So the first season, I think it premiered in 2020, I believe. And then they filmed the second season in 2021, and then it premiered this year, 2022. So let me tell you. This show is where we have our host, Retta. I don't know if you're familiar with her. She's a comedian. She used to play on the show Good Girls. If you guys have seen that from Netflix, I will talk about that a little bit on another favorites video. This is what Retta does. She goes around and she is going to try and find the ugliest house. What happens is people will submit their ugly houses or what they believe is the ugliest house in America to Retta. And if she thinks it is worth looking at, she goes and check it out. And then she go and check it out, and we see all this ugly house or whatever house she is. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, it's 4 different regions, so it might be north, south, east, west. What will happen is she will go and look at 3 houses per episode, okay, in that particular region. Say it's the south region of the United States, and she will look at these 3 houses, and you get to see how ugly they are too, because some of them are just really ugly. And some of the houses, it's like, what made you get that house? And some of them are like, well, I like this about it, and I'm like, to each his own. But I'm just saying, I don't understand why these people are getting some of the houses that they show. Woo, girl. But anyway. What ends up happening after you have seen houses and you chose one house from each region of the United States, then the 4 houses come together, and then Retta and her designer, well, not her designer, but the designer, come together and they choose one house, and with $150,000 budget, they will renovate that particular house. Some of the houses, I'm like, maybe you should have chose that house instead, because some of the houses, like they had one house, it had a huge, I think it was in Arizona, and it had a huge rock inside the house. And I was like, what? Why did you buy that house? And now you're on this show talking about the house is ugly, but you bought the house? Yeah. Anyway, that's just one example, because some of the houses are just so, I'm trying to be nice here, but ugly though. They really are just ugly. And then some of them are just weird, so you guys got to check it out. You got to check it out and see if you like the show. If you've seen the show, then leave me a comment down below and say, yeah, Jay, I checked out that show. You right, it's crazy, girl. If you like the show, leave me a comment too. Let me know what you think. All right, so my next item here is this Michael Kors purse. I love crossbody purses. And this, you see that there is the chain right here that is adjustable, which makes it really nice because sometimes you can shorten it or you can lengthen it. I love inside here, nice ample spacing for sure. And then there are 2 pockets on the side here. And then you have the pocket on the outside. Hopefully you all can see that. And then there's the zipper right at the top. Makes it easy for zipping it up. But yes, this has become one of my purses that I'm really, really liking. I went to a Michael Kors outlet on the 4th of July and I ended up purchasing this purse. Didn't intend on getting another purse, I really didn't. But I just couldn't pass up a bargain price because I'm gonna tell you guys, this little purse right here, yeah, I like little purses too. This is like I said, you know, Michael Kors purse. I believe that the original price was $3.98, and right now if you go and try and purchase this from, you know, some major stores, it'll probably be that $3.98. But if you go to the outlet online, it is priced right now at $138. But that wasn't how much I paid for this purse. I only paid $79 for this purse. What? $79? Ha ha ha! Yes, girl, $79. I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have this. Gotta have this. And my sister-in-law, she bought a purse too, but we didn't get the same style. I think her purse was like $99. But like I said, they must have been having some type of 4th of July sale. So I was just like, yes, we will be getting this today. Okay, so my last item is a snake plant. Yes, I purchased another snake plant, but this snake plant, better known as the Sansevieria, or it is also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. I don't know who made up these names. I really don't care. I just know that is a couple of names because there are many names depending on or the type of snake plant that it is. But this particular one that I ended up purchasing maybe about 3 weeks ago, I really like this plant. And I have named her, another girl in our family. These are my little plant babies. I'm a plant mom. I'm so excited. I have named her Emerald because she is a beautiful green. I just love the shade of green she is. The very first one I had on last year that, you know, of course still have. Thank you, Jesus, they are still alive, because I didn't think forever that I was ever going to have a green thumb. And you see I have plants behind me too. This particular plant here, it just become one of my favorites because like I said, I really love the variegation, the different greens, tones that you see on this particular plant. It also has so many benefits. Let's go through them, shall we? Absorbs pollutants in the air, releases oxygen at night, effective against allergies, low maintenance, easy to propagate, better known as it's easy for you to make new plants based off of that one mother plant. And so I ended up getting this, or I should say this one particular one that I have taken over because my husband and I each have one now. We place them in our bedrooms. Oh la la, like we got more than one bedroom. We placed them in our bedroom, and so he has one and I have one. And one thing that is such a blessing too is because it was his idea, and I was like, okay, what? Let's do this. He has a plant, I have a plant, and we only paid like $20 a piece for the two of them. That is a little bit more than what I paid for the first plant that is similar to the one that I'm talking about now. I think I remember only paying about maybe $16, $17 for it, but you know, inflation. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's favorites of the month. I enjoyed making this video for you. I always love making these type of videos. Thank you so much, Jessica, for this collaboration. Be sure to check out her channel, as well as the playlist of all the other ladies that are going to be participating in today's collaboration. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I think that's it.